Hello and welcome to Ink Expert's Sublimation Academy. Today's tutorial is on setting up an ICC profile for Epson printers in Serif Affinity Designer on Windows. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up an image file in Serif Affinity. We're using the Ink Expert Sublimation Academy logo, and we'll just go down to Affinity Designer and open that up. And here we have our sized image ready to print. What we're going to do is set our print settings and the print profile in question. So we go to File and Print. This brings up our print dialog box. We want to make sure that our print is selected, as ours is here. And then we're going to need to change our colour management settings, which you'll find just here. In there, you'll see that we have the app doing the colour management. That's what we need. And then below, we need to change our profile from sRGB to the Ink Experts profile that's been installed. So we'll scroll through our ICC profile list. We have quite a few, and we select the one in question. There we have it. With that selected, we now change our rendering intent. Now there are 4 options in here, and each one will change how your printer prints. We only tend to use 2, perceptual and relative colorimetric. Relative colorimetric gives you a bit of more vivid image, punchy colour, and perceptual we find gives you a more realistic image. So we're going to go ahead and leave it on perceptual. And the next thing we need to change is our printer's preferences or properties. This brings up the printer dialog box, and we need to change our paper type to that advised on the back of our paper packet. We're using the Ink Expert Subli style paper, so I'll be changing that to matte and high quality. And with that done, we go into the further options. Now in here we want to tick mirror image so that the printed image is the correct way around for pressing. And then in this section for the colour correction, we want to click on custom, and that will bring up the advanced section box. And if we click to here, that brings up our colour correction options. Now we want to select off, no colour correction at all, no colour management, and that is all we need to do there. If we click OK and OK again, our printer is ready to go. We select OK to print, and the print job is pushed through. That's how we set an ICC profile and print with Affinity. Thanks for watching this video. For more, please visit inkexperts.co.uk/sublimation academy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.